Hello, dear student. Welcome back. I'm here back with new topic. Although that's not new. The last few days we have been working in the same topic at the same topic, that is determiner. Although we have done the second part of this one, yes, today we are talking about the article. Right? In the article we have done the portion. I was talking about these are the indefinite article. Right? So today we are going to discussing about the definite article. So couple of second before you have seen some slides. Right? In that slide you have noticed that is noun. Right? Is noun countable? Yes, it is countable. Is it definite? Definite article will say yes, it is, because there is a the. And in the second thing, in the second side, you will notice that is noun a noun countable and a singular. It will say yes, because there is an article, right? There is an article a and an, because they represent the singular. Is a noun plural? Definite will say yes, it's plural. But what is the second side? There is a indefinite article which are a and an. Say no, we can't do that things. Yes, same thing is here, actually noun. Everything depends on the noun, because these are the determiner which limit and we say something and which is placed just before the noun. Right? The article represents the singular and plural. Right? And we have noticed in those sliders that we can mention and we can place the just before the noun about which we know earlier, where the speaker is believed to be, right, that listener know about it and knew about it, right? So this is the only word in all over the world which is, और पूरे संसार में this is the only word which account the 7% of the all words. The so much uses this. Right? Let's say in the slide, I would let you know that how and where we can place the, right? Yes, dear student, can you see the blackboard and can you see the letter here and the word here? Is it visible? See, here is the first example. I like the book you gave me. Very interesting. I told you that article is a word which denote person, thing and object, whatever that can be, and it denote the thing, person and any object about which we knew earlier. जिसके बारे में हम पहले से जिसके बारे में पता होता है, right? The same thing we are mentioning here, the thing which has already mentioned. So here, I like the book. मुझे कौन सी किताब पसंद है? You gave me, जो तुमने मुझे किताब दी थी ना, वो मुझे पसंद है. Means I like, मुझे पसंद है. The book, which one? The book that you have given me, that you have given me, right? Next, I like books. I like books. मुझे किताबें पसंद है. Do you know what this sentence is indicating? This is indicating that you can write I like books. मुझे किताबें पसंद है. I'm not writing anything a and the here. Right? Whenever there is like that, you can like this. आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. Directly. There is no problem. I like a book. Now, next, I like a book. मुझे किताब पर एक किताब पसंद. I like a book. मुझे एक किताब पसंद है. कौन सी है? No one knows. It is indefinite, right? I bought some book. मैं कुछ किताबें खरीदी ना, बुक्स होना चाहिए अपने को, राइट? एस, राइट? आई बॉट 2 books. Whenever we have the word like that, the 2 books and the some books, that time also we not need to write any kind of articles there, right? See, भाई कहां देखिए हम इसको द को सिंगुलर के साथ भी यूज कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में मैं दिखाता हूं आपको कि हम इसे कहां कहां कैसे कैसे यूज कर रहे हैं, राइट? सी, बिफोर heavenly bodies, do you know anything about the heavenly body? What are the heavenly bodies? These are the thing and these are the body which is only one in itself. Do you know which are these? Yes, earth, sun, moon, Jupiter. You know, these are the heavenly body, like not only that but also देखो एक कहने की बात है, जैसे मैंने बोला कि हम दा का मेंशन तभी करते हैं if thing is definite and if we knew anything about that particular things and that particular person and object, right? The same thing, these are things, ये भी कुछ ऐसी चीजें है, ये भी कुछ ऐसे ही नाम है जिनके बारे में पहले से हम जानते हैं, नो डाउट इट्स हेवनली बॉडीज। सो हेवनली बॉडी है तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? द अर्थ revolves around the sun. The sun, मैंने यहां सन को भी ले आया और सन यहां लिखा हुआ मैंने, the moon shines, right? The next one is here the before holy books. Holy books कौन सी? The Gita, the Quran, the Bible. The Bible is the sacred book of Christians. The Gita is the sacred book of whose? किसकी है? Right? हिंदुओं की है, right? The before the newspaper, magazine. कोई न्यूज़पेपर के नाम जानते हो आप? ऑफ कोर्स क्यों नहीं जानते हो? द ट्रिब्यून, द हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स. फ्रॉम वेयर? द हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स पब्लिश्ड एंड प्रिंटेड. पब्लिश्ड ही बोलेंगे, प्रिंट क्यों बोलेंगे, राइट? द सेम वे द ट्रिब्यून, द टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया और मैगजीन द इंडिया टुडे. बहुत सारी मैगजीन होती है, यू हैव टू राइट द इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैट, राइट? नेक्स्ट वन इज द बिफोर. व्हाट इज दिस हियर? The singular noun. Before the singular noun which represent the whole class. What are these? Like लाइन होता है ना, जब लाइन का नाम आता है तो वो पूरी अपनी प्रजाति के लिए वो एक तरह से फेमस नहीं है। वो फेमस बताओ, जैसे बोलो, वो तो एक कुकृत्य है उसका कि वो सभी को मार देता है. So beast of prey, right? The lion is the beast of prey. So the second thing is here the dog, right? The dog is a faithful animal. So it represents the singular but represent the whole class. That's why we are using the here. Next one is the before the rivers, dam, lakes, mountains, oceans, islands, right? Group of islands जब होते हैं, like we have the Andaman Nicobar Deeps, so we will write the Andaman Nicobar group of islands. We will not write like Andaman Nicobar because this is the group of island. The same way the Lakshadweep also, because this is the that comprises many islands. छोटे छोटे टापुओं का जो एक समूह बना हुआ, that is the right. Yeah, the next one is the river. River, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, the Indus, the Amazon, the Niles, right? And the next one is the dam, the Hirakund, the Bhakra dam. The Bhakra dam located in which district? कौन सी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में लोकेट करता है? in which state? Right? The same. The lakes with the Dal Lake, right? The Victoria Lake, the Baikal Lake. Where are all these lakes are? Ocean. One thing is very important to mention here, that we will never write the before the sea. कहीं भी sea होते हैं ना, छोटे जो हमारे जो ये समुद्र है, इनका कहीं मेंशन नहीं होता है. But whenever the name come of the oceans, बड़े महासमुद्रों का जब नाम आता है, तो that time we will write the the Pacific Ocean, the Indian South Indian Ocean, right? The South Indian Ocean या हिंद महासागर जिसको हम बोलते हैं. The Hind Mahasagar is known for its roughest weather in the world, right? Let's see in the next slide. Yes, let's see in this slide here. Before mountain range, let me make it clear to you that we have a large number of mountains and we get sometimes confused with the peaks. The Mount Everest, Mount Everest is the highest. The highest के साथ हम the highest बोल सकते हैं, but Everest is actually kind of peak. It is not a range, right? Whenever we are mentioning any range, we will mention the Himalaya, because this is the range. वो रेंज है, माउंटेन रेंज है, एक लंबी रेंज है जिसमें बहुत सारी आपको पीक्स मिल जाएगी. तो बिफोर द पीक वी विल नॉट राइट एनी काइंड ऑफ वी, बिकॉज दीज आर नॉट काइंड ऑफ, उसको हम नाउन नहीं बोल सकते. लेकिन जब पूरी रेंज होती है, लाइक वी हैव द रॉकीज, द एडीज, ठीक है, द हिमालय इज द लॉन्गेस्ट रेंज ऑफ माउंटेन. नेक्स्ट इज द बिफोर द ट्रेन नेम, ट्रेन के नाम के सामने भी आप देखोगे द शताब्दी एक्सप्रेस, द दिल्ली रोहिला एक्सप्रेस which leave from Delhi and to where, कहाँ, जोधपुर तक जाती है. राइट, नेक्स्ट बिफोर बस स्टैंड, अगर बस स्टैंड का नाम आता है उसके सामने भी लिखे हुए आप that particular bus stand. The cinema, he has gone to the cinema, he has gone to the theater, he has gone to the circus, right? And the next one is the before the superlative. Superlative कौन से होते हैं? good होता है, better होता है, best है, राइट. जो बेस्ट वाला है ना, वो सुपरलेटिव डिग्री होगी. देयर वी विल राइट द बेस्ट, राइट, द बिगेस्ट, टॉलेस्ट, हाईएस्ट, हॉटेस्ट, राइट, द हॉटेस्ट. दिस इज द सुपरलेटिव एंड यू विल राइट द देयर. एंड नाउ द कंपैरेटिव. कंपैरेटिव क्या होते हैं? द कंपैरिजन वेयर वी मेक सम काइंड ऑफ कंपैरिजन. वहां भी द का यूज हो रहा होता है. ही इज द, शी इज द, राइट. एक और चीज होती है कंपैरेटिव, हम यहां भी बोल सकते हैं, लाइक यू नो, the more you study, the more you learn. The higher you go, the higher you get the cooler. Yeah, cooler you get, a cooler you found. Write that. Yeah, fine. Right, you can write that way. Then before the direction, what are the direction? East, west, north, south. Before that, we will write the north direction. She lives in the south direction. She live in the that areas. The before the direction के सामने भी जो दिशाएं होती है उसके सामने भी द का यूज होता है. now and before big seat of government here means गवर्नमेंट की जो बड़ी बड़ी पोस्ट होती है, सीट्स होती है, लाइक द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया, द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया, right, the head of the department, the principal, the headmaster, like that. Okay, now the office, ऑफिस होते हैं हमारे डिपार्टमेंट, बड़े बड़े डिपार्टमेंट की जो ऑफिस, उनके सामने भी द Department of Education, the Department of HRTC, the Department of any other, right? The before party, BJP, Congress, the BJP, the Congress, like that. The season is what? Season की almost there are 4 number of season. तो इसमें भी the summer, the spring, the winter, the autumn, ऐसे करके बोलेंगे हम. Dynasty means the dynasty जो वंश होते हैं, like वंश, the Chol dynasty, the Gupta dynasty, right? The Gupta dynasty has ruled the country for a long time. And then empire जैसे Roman Empire, Gupta Empire, the Gupta Empire, the Roman Empire, like that we can write. Historical incident, like historical जैसे the industrial revolutions, इस तरह की कुछ चीजों को हम देख सकते हैं. Let's see in the next slide what is there. Let's see here. Before the limbs of the body, what? ये तो body part जो हमारे होते हैं ना, that is about that. The before the limb of the part we will place the V. Sorry, the को हम इसके ठीक सामने place करेंगे. Like I caught him from the, कहाँ से? आर्म से पकड़ा. And he hit him from where? Okay, the head, the leg, right? Next one is here. Before dates of the month. The 2nd of October, the 12th of December, like that we can write. Next, before the name of the country, comprised kingdom, republic, and federation. What are these? These are the composition and the comparison. Comprises more than one state, like that. Right? वैसे नहीं हम इंडिया को द इंडिया भी नहीं लिख सकते. The Republic of India we can say. The Republic of Yemen we can say. The UK we can say, the USA we can say, right? The next one is here, the before the name of the musical instrument. Musical instrument होते हैं, like Sham plays piano, he plays orchestra, guitar, violin, etc. You have to place the before that. Next one is before the profession. I like which profession? I like the banking profession. I like the corporate profession. Or there can be many. And the job. Do you like the teaching job? The teaching job. Right? Before committee, there are different type of committee, and before that committee we can write the club. बहुत सारे क्लब है. Before that club we will place the, and there is a foundation like जैसे the the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation, and the BK Club. You can write the before such things. Right. In the next slide, we have a lot more to watch. Let's see. Use of the after, all, and both. So we have after and both, where we have to write the just after that. Right? All the, both the. Right? Then but, before, all, and same. I will let you know later with the help of some example. Next is the before the noun. If. Before the noun, if. Noun, and then there is a preposition, and then there again is a noun. That case we will write, right? The gold. The gold is what? The gold is here. The noun. Of is the prep. And then Africa again. The gold of Africa is famous. Africa is famous. It's your one class. The student of this school are hard working. The important thing is then you have such situation that when you are expressing such words and sentences, that case you will write your the first noun. पहले वाला जो noun होगा वहां पे आपने दा लगाना है. You will not shift your the after that. Right? Use of the in proper noun. Proper noun में कैसे करेंगे हम? It is very interesting to know. See, and this is the kind of sentences and the kind of expression in which we make something specific. किसी चीज को specific बनाने हैं. You have heard the name of Ashoka, and you have heard the name of the Akbar, and you have heard the name of the Kalidas. And if we to qualify them with the help of adjectives, यहाँ पे qualify करते हैं इस आदमी को, तो हम इसको proper बनाते हैं. Right? Like the Ashoka. Right? The Ashoka, the Akbar, the Great. आगे great लगा ली. The Great ruler of India. And the next one is here the Kalidas. Kalidas, the Shakespeare of India. That way we are particularize this person. We are making it proper. We specify them with some special qualities. Right? Let's see in the next slide. When there are more than one noun representing the same person or noun, at that case the should be placed before the first noun. मतलब जब एक आदमी एक से ज्यादा काम कर रहा हो, एक से ज्यादा नाउन उसके बारे में यहाँ रिप्रेजेंट हो रहे हो या बताए जा रहे हो, तो दैट केस आपको दा जो है सबसे पहले वाले नाउन के साथ लगाना पड़ता है. वी हैव एग्जांपल, राइट? द सेक्रेटरी एंड ट्रेजरर इज द सेम पर्सन. द सेक्रेटरी एंड ट्रेजरर was present there. When you write letter to two unmarried sister, we write the Mrs. plus noun. That case, अगर दो unmarried sisters को आप letter लिख रहे हो तो you will write that way, right? The लिखोगे उससे पहले the Mrs. plus noun. The Mrs. plus noun में here means anything can be, right? The Mrs. में Gupta, the Mrs. Shah, etc. We will write the before historical building and any institutions like the Taj Mahal, the Charminar, okay, the Red Fort, right? And the White House. Again, now we have some clubs, foundation, and about which we usually talk about, like club cases, the Rotary Club hai. And we have the Lions Club, and we have some foundation. These are the Ford Foundation, and we have the trust. And before the trust, we can write the Rajiv Gandhi's trust, right? Rajiv Gandhi Trust. Okay, so that was something about article, and now we will try to understand and try to know with the help of examples. See this example. These boys, but it must be these boys, right? THESE. These boys. I don't have any chalk here. So these boys of this school are very intelligent. These boys, right? These are here, right? These are The boys, right? No, oh, right. It is okay. It's okay. It should be the here, right? The boys of this school, right? Not the actually this. This is the boys of this school. What is particular here? The boys of this school are very intelligent. How and why? Just try to understand and put some pressure on your mind. These books are the same. Just a couple of minutes before I have told you that with the help of example I would let you know that how we can use the before the, right, and the whole और the के same के सामने कैसे हम the use कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि these books are the same वही books है as we saw in that shop. We are specifying these things here. Shop, उस book को, these books, वो किताबें, right, are the same as we saw in that shop, right? Okay, Shyam plays the piano. Piano is the name of instrument, and before the instrument we write that the. And I found a bag. मेरे को एक bag मिला, right? The bag contained a coin. We are talking about, especially in the noun, in the determiner when we are placing the. We place the in front of those noun about which we already knew. But the same thing is here, right? Same thing is here. I found a bag. अरे मुझे एक bag मिला और उस bag में क्या? The bag contained a coin. The same thing you will see here. The boys of this. The boys of this what? The school. उस school के जिसके बारे में सभी जानते हैं. तो वो क्या है? बड़े इंटेलिजेंट है, right? The same here. The man in blue dress. The man in blue dress. कौन है? या तो वो दिखाई दे रहा है या लोगों ने कभी पहले देख लिया या जो कुछ भी है whatever. So who is that man? The dress is my father. अरे जो ये है ना वो the man in blue. So he is my father. Okay, the English defeated the French. I forgot to mention this one actually here. The English, whenever we talk about the race, है ना, जब किसी पूरी race या पूरी community की हम बात करते हैं, there we also will write the before that, because the English is not language here. Actually, the English are the people. So English people defeated the French. French is not a language here. French is also, वो पूरी country को represent करते हैं, तो they are the French. So French को हराया. So जहां कहीं भी आप the language की बात करेंगे, there you will write the. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, although it's so long and it may be a little bit lethargic to watch other so long videos. Still, you will enjoy. And that's it. And meet you soon in the next video with some informative, innovative way. Thank you and have a great time ahead.